Cinnamon raisin bread has a long and diverse history, with roots in various European baking traditions. While the exact origin is difficult to pinpoint, it is most commonly associated with bread-making practices from the 17th to 19th centuries in countries like England and Germany. In England, fruit breads have been made since at least the Middle Ages. Spiced bread, including cinnamon, was popular during the Renaissance. Raisins were often added to sweet loaves, creating a treat for holidays and special occasions. The combination of cinnamon, a highly prized spice at the time, with sweet dried fruits like raisins was considered luxurious. German baking traditions also influenced cinnamon raisin bread. Stollen, a German fruit bread enjoyed around Christmas, often incorporates dried fruits, spices, and sometimes marzipan, though it is a denser, holiday-specific loaf. By the 19th and early 20th centuries, cinnamon raisin bread became more popular in North America, where it was often enjoyed as a breakfast or tea-time treat, toasted with butter. In the U.S., the bread became more widespread as commercial bakeries began mass-producing it, allowing it to become a staple in many households. The combination of sweetness from the raisins and warmth from the cinnamon has given this bread lasting. Cinnamon raisin bread, like other foods, has various effects on the body depending on its ingredients, portion size, and how often it's consumed. Here's a breakdown of its nutritional impact. Energy source. Cinnamon raisin bread contains carbohydrates from the flour and raisins, which provide a quick source of energy. When you eat it, your body breaks down these carbs into glucose, fueling your brain and muscles. Blood sugar effects. White flour. Many cinnamon raisin breads are made from refined flour, which can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, especially if eaten in large amounts or without other sources of fiber, protein, or healthy fats. This could lead to a short burst of energy followed by a crash. Raisins. While raisins contain natural sugars, they also offer some fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. However, they can still contribute to an increase in blood sugar. Fiber depending on the bread. If the bread is made with whole grains, it can provide a decent amount of fiber, which improves digestion and helps prevent constipation. Supports healthy blood sugar regulation by slowing the absorption of sugars. Cinnamon's health benefits. Cinnamon has been linked to various health benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. Heart health. Cinnamon might help lower cholesterol and triglycerides, supporting cardiovascular health. Nutrients from raisins. Raisins provide small amounts of iron, helps with the production of red blood cells. Potassium, important for heart function and muscle contraction. Antioxidants. Raisins contain phytonutrients that may support overall health and reduce oxidative stress. Weight gain. Cinnamon raisin bread can be calorie-dense, especially if it's made with added sugars or eaten with butter or other spreads. If consumed in excess, it can contribute to weight gain. Digestive effects. Refined bread. If made with white flour and little fiber, it may not be as beneficial for digestion compared to whole grain options. Fiber from raisins. The fiber content in raisins can support healthy digestion, but large amounts might lead to bloating or gas for some people. Moderation and variety. Cinnamon raisin bread can be part of a balanced diet when eaten in moderation. Pairing it with protein like peanut butter or yogurt and healthy fats can help slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. In summary, cinnamon raisin bread can provide energy, some nutrients, and even health benefits from the cinnamon, but it should be eaten in moderation, especially if it's made with refined flour and added sugars. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.